Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Ashraf Ruya. As a child, Ashraf fell in love from afar with a girl he called Ruya and spent years searching for her, only to become a powerful mafia figure along the way. Meanwhile, Nisan, an idealistic musician, finds herself in grave danger after performing at a wedding held at Ashraf's hotel. Ashraf falls for Nisan, unaware that she is both the long lost Ruya he has been chasing for years and a police informant. Trapped in a whirlwind of love, betrayal, and power struggles, Ashraf is forced into a brutal reckoning both with his criminal empire and his own emotions. Number 9. Piazza. When Sali Akin, a powerful media tycoon, is found dead in a bed of Asanchevik, a gossip reporter at one of his channels, a scandal erupts, leaving his wife Kariman and their children reeling. Years later, Kariman retreats into mental instability while Asan struggles to rebuild her life. Sali's son Kenan rises into a narcissist actor prioritizing fame and pleasure until he meets Munawwar, a headscarf wearing girl from a coastal town, raised as a caretaker of her cancer stricken mother and siblings. Munawwar reluctantly agrees to an arranged marriage with wealthy Adar to ease her family's burden. Her mother dies during the henna night, and when Adar attempts to force himself on her, Munawwar flees to Istanbul with Ahsan's help. Number 8. Sustali Jailan. Sustali Jailan tells the epic struggle of a woman trying to find her identity and rebuild her life in a male dominated world. Jailan, a woman with dreams, beauty, and youth, endures her unemployed and rude husband, Najmi, whom she was forced to marry for the sake of her young son Yusuf. However, Jailan has a secret. She is secretly studying at a health vocational school and plans to escape once she graduates. Her only supporter is Najmi's elderly father Vesi. Farhat cannot remain indifferent to Chelan's beauty and courage, but fate confronts Chelan with an even greater challenge. Her son Yusuf falls into the hand of an organ trafficking mafia because of his father Najmi. At that moment, Jelan is no longer just a mother. She becomes a warrior burning with the fire of revenge. On this dark path, her greatest ally will be Farhat. Number 7. Karal Kai Bidar Se. The series follows Kenan Baran, a successful businessman in a troubled marriage with his wife Handan. His affairs force her to confront her self worth while Kenan's life is turned upside down by Fadi, a young woman from a poor background. Their relationship leads to a downfall that changes everything, exploring the power struggle between word and media and control and freedom. Number 6. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul. Bring Zaman Lar Istanbul brings to life a Korolu style epic of two young individuals standing against the oppressors of their era. The story follows Ali, portrayed by Jahangir Jahan, and Seher, played by Alina Bose, whose quest for justice begins in school hallways and transforms them into a duo that shakes the balance of Istanbul's criminal underworld. Ali and Seher, students from different faculties of the same university, cross paths during a debate competition, arguing the question, is it society or personal choice that drives a person to crime? Their shared ideal bring them together in a fight for love and justice against the mafia network that cast a shadow over Istanbul. These two young hearts will stand tall like Korolu. Number 5. Karde Landler. Hijran and Arif, a devoted couple married for 50 years, have dedicated their lives to raising their five children despite countless sacrifices and hardships. While Hijran's boundless love and Arif's unwavering principles held the family together, their children's selfish choices and betrayal led to heartbreak and chaos. A long awaited reunion with their estranged son Onur takes a devastating turn, leaving the family shattered by loss and adversity. Arif suffers a heart attack. The families rush to take Arif to the hospital and tragically in a car accident where Onur and his wife lose their lives and Arif falls into a coma. Rejected by their in-laws, Hijran is abandoned in a nursing home while Chinar and the children are left to fend for themselves. Hijran, her younger son Chinar and her grandchildren must navigate a harsh new reality as poverty and family conflicts intensify. Hijran and Arif's resilience and unconditional love become the foundation for the struggle to reunite their fractured family. In the face of betrayal and hardship, they strive to prove that no challenge is too great when it comes to the bonds of family. Number 4. Bashka Birgun, a Turkish remake of the British series Keeping Faith. The series tells the story of Nihir, a lawyer who takes a break from her career to care for her children. Her seemingly happy marriage with her husband Sardar takes an unexpected turn when Sardar suddenly disappears. Number 3. Jan Borju. The series follows Mehmet, a successful lawyer, as he strives to reconnect with his estranged daughter Dua. Following the death of his mother, along the way, long buried secrets come to light, threatening to upend their lives. The delicate balance of the family is shattered when Jalal's hidden affair surfaces, creating turmoil. Meanwhile, his wife Handan, unaware of the unraveling around her, fights to keep the family together against all odds. Number 2. Shakir Pasha Ailesi. The series is based on the true story of the Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and history writer living on Bucada when his elder son Jivat returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all lived together in the family villa where the Bohemian Jivat was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jivat's wife and lifestyle. But Jivat's wife became infatuated with the older man, and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. Number 1. Sahib Sizzler, a story of six siblings Aziz, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggled to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.